In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Dropbox user on your computer, whether you're switching accounts for work, school, or personal use. Changing the user that's logged into Dropbox on your computer is a straightforward process. First, let's begin by locating the Dropbox icon. If you're on a Windows computer, you'll find this icon in the system tray, which is usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. For Mac users, you can spot it in the menu bar located at the top of your screen. This icon is your gateway to accessing Dropbox's features and settings directly from your desktop. Once you've spotted the icon, give it a click. This will open up a small drop-down menu. Here, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see your avatar, which could either be your profile picture or simply your initials depending on how you've set up your account. Go ahead and click on this avatar icon. From the resulting menu, select Preferences. This section houses all the option settings you need to tweak and customize your Dropbox experience. Now navigate over to the Account tab. The Account tab focuses specifically on settings and information related to your current account. Here you'll see an option that says Sign Out. Click this. Signing out from your current account will essentially reset your Dropbox setup, preparing it for a new user login. It's important to note that doing this will cause Dropbox to restart, which is completely normal. Once you click Sign Out, the Dropbox application will automatically close and then relaunch itself. After Dropbox restarts, you'll be greeted once again by the Dropbox login screen. This is your cue to log in with the account you wish to switch to. Click on the Sign In with Dropbox button to bring up the sign in page. Here, you'll enter the email address and password linked to the new account you'd like to use. If your new account uses two-factor authentication, be ready to provide that second piece of information as well. Once you've inputted your login information, confirm and log in. You've now successfully changed the Dropbox user on your computer. With this process complete, you'll have access to all the files and settings associated with your new Dropbox account. Remember, you can repeat these steps whenever you need to switch accounts, making it easy to manage different aspects of your life or work from one computer. Happy file sharing, and thanks for watching.